I've got to say, I never thought I'd see the day when Google backed down from an AI project, but here we are. So Google had this thing called Recipe Quick View, right? It was basically AI-powered Cliff Notes for recipes, showing up right in the search results. Sounds cool, yeah? Well, not if you're a food blogger trying to make a living. These content creators were not happy, let me tell you. They were freaking out about losing traffic, ad revenue, the whole shebang. And let's be real, if I spent hours perfecting a recipe only to have Google sum it up in 2 sentences, I'd be pretty ticked off too. But this isn't just about recipes. It's like the canary in the coal mine for the whole AI and content creation debate. You've got Cloudflare doing this pay-per-crawl thing, and everyone's trying to figure out how to make money when AI can just sum up your entire website in seconds. It's a mess, guys. But for now at least, the food bloggers can breathe a sigh of relief. Google blinked first in this staring contest.